Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to your PC. First, ensure your Sony headphones are in pairing mode, usually indicated by a flashing blue light. Then, on your computer, open the Bluetooth settings. You'll need to add a new device there. Finally, select your specific Sony headphone model from the list of available devices that appears. This process should take only a few moments to complete, getting you ready to enjoy your audio wirelessly. To begin, you will need to access your computer's Bluetooth settings. Start by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. From there, locate and click on Devices, then choose Bluetooth and other devices from the left-hand menu. It is crucial to ensure that your Bluetooth is enabled. If not, simply toggle the switch to the on position. This prepares your computer to discover and connect with your Sony headphones. Once your PC's Bluetooth is active, click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device, and then select Bluetooth from the options presented. Your computer will now begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Keep an eye out for your Sony headphones to appear in the list. Once you see them, click on their name to initiate the connection. You might receive a pairing request. Simply confirm it to finalize the connection and start enjoying your audio. If you encounter any difficulties connecting, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try restarting both your Sony headphones and your computer. Sometimes a fresh start is all that is needed. Also, make sure your headphones have sufficient battery charge. If issues persist, consider updating your PC's Bluetooth drivers. You can usually find these updates through your computer's device manager or manufacturer's website. These steps resolve most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.